Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just colored my hair last night using the Age Beautiful in Plum Black, and it's 1V. And yes, I know I just colored my hair, but it held up after the first wash, which was shocking. And then it faded because I washed my face, and I get really close to my roots when I wash my face, and it just started like fading after I washed my face. And it was not cute. It was looking disgusting. So I needed a revamp. So anyways, I used to color my hair this color when it first came out, and it was so beautiful. Now, if you decide to use this color, it's gonna look dark, but when you go in the sun, and I'm not sure if it's gonna do the same thing, but it looked this purple. It was like this purple in the sun. Only when like the sun hit it was like the only time that you could really see the hues of purple. And it was like this purple. I don't know if it's gonna be the same because, of course, my big ball of bad luck, it's sunny all week. I go and color my hair and it's snowing, so I don't have any sun today. I'm hoping that I could get some pictures for you guys if it's sunny soon, before I have to wash my hair, so you guys can see like how gorgeous it is. I'm not sure if it's gonna do the same. I don't know if it's gonna have the same purple effect that it did back then, because they changed their formulas a lot, just, you know, to kind of keep up with the Joneses and to make it better and whatnot. And like I said, I did the Plum Black when it first came out, when this color just like hit the store for the first time, and it was amazing. And every single time it faded, it went from like that deep purple, and it would just get lighter and lighter and lighter every single time, from the time that I had first applied it to the time that I have to reapply it. And it lasted about like a month and a half. And I mean, obviously now I'm gonna have to recolor more often, because, you know, I have like lots and lots of whites that I can't stand seeing. So I hope that with this new formula, it didn't change the violet hues and how purple it is when it's in the sun, because it was so gorgeous. I wish I had pictures of it, but yeah, it was just so beautiful. So anyways, I bought this color at Sally's, and this color, which I don't even think the blue black smells like grapes. Like, this smells like grapes. Now, like, not like the gross like cough medicine grapes, but it smells like yummy grapes. And it's not super strong, so you don't really need ventilation whatsoever. But if you're not into like scents, then I would open a window. This color does contain PPD. It is pretty gentle. I mean, I did have like a couple itchy spots like here and here, but it disappeared. Like, you knew it was there, but then it disappeared. So it wasn't anything crazy, nothing that was like super irritating. It does have 100% gray coverage, which is amazing. This color really lasts a long time. Even with like the blue black, it can last you a really long time, like a month and a half, for real. But if you're like me and your grays and whites like just seem to grow like really super fast, you end up like after like maybe 3 or 4, close to 4 weeks, you have like 2 inches of like hair growth, and it's all white. I can't stand my roots whatsoever, so I have to color it. So if you're like me, it'll last like a month, which is amazing, but it does last longer. It really does. It's it's one of my favorite brands from Sally's. I have nothing bad to say about it. My head just feels really itchy afterwards, which is weird, but I don't know if that's related to the L'Oreal. The last color I did really irritates my scalp, and it burns and itches so bad. So I don't know if it's just because my scalp is like was recovering the past couple weeks from that hair color, that when I applied this, it kind of might have like re-irritated it. I don't know. It's just really itchy for some reason. And I've never had an issue like that with Age Beautiful. So I'm not sure if it's because of the L'Oreal. And I think it gave that L'Oreal Feria gave me like an allergic reaction. Because like the next morning, like my forehead was like bright red and itchy. So I don't know. Anyways, let's see. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like with the light on, my ring light, to see if it can show any of the purple. Because right now you can't really tell in the natural lighting. Like I kind of can see the violet hues. It's nothing like super crazy. Like I can see it in the natural lighting. I'm hoping the camera can pick it up. Like I can see it. But I can really see the purple, but I don't know if the camera's picking it up in the natural lighting. But I'll show you what it looks like with my ring light on, because I know that you can kind of tell the difference between in lighting. Lighting will always show different hues in your hair. So if you go into like your bathroom that normally has like a warm light, it's gonna show you a different type of hue. I don't know if it's really picking up. Like you see some of that purple. It looks more like a red, but like I can see it from root to tip. And the best part is it blended so well. Like I don't have hot roots. I have like a purple head, but my roots match so perfectly with the rest of my hair. So it's amazing to see that it didn't give me hot roots. And usually like your roots would be like bright purple compared to the rest of your hair, and you're just like, yeah, I just did purple and it didn't do my root, or it did my roots but not the rest of it. But no, it covered, and I see the purple. It does kind of look a little bit more on the red side, but I think that's just the lighting. But I definitely do see some purple like everywhere. I hope that's like picking up. But that's what it looks like in the ring light. I'm gonna like turn this off and then flip the camera, or not the camera, like flip the tripod around and see if we can get it to show up in the natural. Oh, ew, it's snowing so bad. Can spring come already? So I don't know if you can see, or if it's just the way that it's picking up. But can you see some of that purple? I don't know. I kind of see it in this angle. Oh, I saw it. I saw that purple. Oh, I really hope it'll look really good in the sun. I saw it. I saw the purple, and it was so dark. Like, it was just like my pen. I don't know if you can see like right here where it's picking up. Okay. Oop. My cords are, let's see. I don't like how. Sorry, my son is playing in his sister's room. and he's looking out our window. Okay, you see the purple? Do you see this? This is what I'm talking about. It is purple. I know it was only like a brief purple, like a brief sighting, but in the sun, it is so freaking gorgeous. And I have high hopes now that I can see the purple. I can see how dark that purple is. And I'm kind of really excited. Like, so I accidentally bought 4 boxes of this because like I placed an order and then I placed like another order, and now I have like 4 boxes of this violet purple. Like, I kind of can't wait to try it in the summertime and have that like where the sun's out and my hair is like gorgeously purple like the whole time. Like, yes, I love my blue blacks, but since like I've ran out of blue blacks, I do have one. I did actually get a recommendation. So I ordered that recommendation from Sally's and I should get that here in the next couple weeks. And that'll be like my next color to do. But like, I ran out of blue blacks. So I think like I might do this color in the summer and have some fun with this color. But oh, it's got me so excited. Like, I can see the purple. I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but like I can see dark purple, like my pen. And I just don't know if the camera's picking up that dark of purple or if it's just showing like the like a reddish tone purple, because I can see that too. But it's like you gotta kind of play around with like the lighting, and it sucks that it's like snowing outside and it's not even like sunny or anything, so you can't really see. I just like sat on the cord, so you can't really see the purple. I really wish it was sunny outside so you could see it, but it is a gorgeous dark black, and it's so versatile that you can like still have like that pop of color, so it's like work appropriate. And like if you work somewhere like in an office and you're not allowed to have funky crazy hair, so like this is perfect. Like even with blue black, like it's dark black, but you can still have that pop of fun color in like the sunlight, and it's still like work appropriate. Because like, you know, some people who work in offices and they're very strict with like, you know, their dress code and hair code, like people are kind of weird and sticklers about that. But like this color and blue black is like perfect because you can have that pop of color, but it's still so versatile that it's still dark. It's dark, but then you got your fun side that shows up like, hey, I'm still here type of thing. But it's like not as like hot pink hair. It's like only in the sun you can, in certain lighting, you can see the pops of purple and blue. But yeah. So anyways, I'm sorry that it's not sunny and I can't really show you the actual purple hues that I've been talking about, but yeah, so that is this color. I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any recommendations that you want me to do next, I don't know if you guys still want me to do violet purples. I know there's like a bunch in like Ion, and there's other brands out there that do like a black purple. Not many do like black plums or violets and stuff, so it's not as popular as like blue black. So there's not that many. I can do them if you guys want to see them. I can do blue blacks too if there's any ones that I have missed. Like I said, I just got a recommendation for one, so that one will be next when it comes in. And yeah, I could just keep an eye out for more blue blacks, or I could just keep on going and down the violet train. And you guys just let me know what you want to see, and I will definitely do it. And recommendations are awesome because that shows that you guys are looking for colors that you want to actually do on yourself and want to know what it will look like. So yeah, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date with this hair color, like I said, follow me on Instagram. It's Nina_Gilhousen, and I will update you and let you know if like this color still bleeds just as bad as it does. Oh, did I tell you that this color bleeds? I'm not sure if I did. So anyways, this color does stain your skin and your scalp and your sink and your shower. And I'm not sure if I said that in the beginning. I've had so many interruptions and had to restart this video so many times that every time I say something, I'd forget the next time I hit start or record. So, yeah, make sure that you use bleach or scrub and bubbles, because even though I bleached my tub, it is still purple. So now I have to do it a second time, and it didn't look purple after I did it last night, but this morning it like came back. I don't know how, but it's still purple. Yeah, so just be careful. And it did bleed a lot more than like the blue blacks I've used. When I was done doing my hair, it was still like dripping like purple, like a lot of purple, and it was just kind of getting everywhere. So just kind of be careful with that. Like, I don't remember my blue blacks ever doing that, but yeah, maybe because it wasn't as noticeable, but it is when it's purple. But yeah, anyways, I'll stop blabbing. I'm not sure if I mentioned any of that earlier in the video or not. So that's your public service announcement for right now, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.